Good day everyone, welcome to Cleaner Water, Cleaner Tomorrow Talk. It's my pleasure to meet you here. First and foremost, let me introduce our group as well as the speaker today. We are from UTHM Course Engineer and Society Section 4 Group 1. This talk is a part of our group project. My first group mate is Muhammad Arif Sahab bin Zaihan, Niana Latasha binti Muhammad Rashid, Hafiza binti Ramli, me, Ho Shamtui, and Taman In. They are also a speaker for today's talk. Now come back to the topic. Water pollution occurs when toxic substances, often chemical products or microorganisms, pollute a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading its quality and effectively poisoning it for human and environment. Regarding water pollution, human is an instigator and also a victim. According to United Nations, more than 80% of sewage generated by human activity is discharged into river or ocean without any treatment. Increase of occurrence of waterborne disease, biodiversity loss, and food chain contamination became a trending topic globally. As was mentioned, anthropogenic factor has contributed to almost all the reasons for water pollution on Earth compared with natural factors. This is mainly credited to fast population growth. According to the report released by UNESCO, the global use of fresh water has increased sixfold in the past 100 years. Meanwhile, as a subsequent of population increase, living standard and food demand rise. It is linked with the increases of agricultural activity, urbanization, and industrialization. Lastly, produce an adverse effect on the environment. On the other hand, there are three types of water pollution. Groundwater get polluted by contaminants such as pesticides and fertilizer to waste ledged from landfill and septic system. Next, surface water is what fuel our oceans, river, lakes, and all those other stream bits on the world map. It is the hardest hit area of pollution, where it bears toxic chemical, nutrient, and heavy metal discharge originating from municipal and industrial. For the ocean, plastic pollution and oil spill is a typical reason for water contamination. Moreover, pollutants spread are commonly classified into three, which point source contamination originate from a single source, non-point source pollution derived from diffuse sources, and it is difficult to trace and regulate. And transboundary pollution is the pollution that travels across national borders at varying rate. Let's get back to the issues stated before. Pollution is a social issue which needs public participation to eliminate. There are still many people around the world experiencing severe water scarcity and suffering from disease due to unsafe drinking water. To ensure water availability for future generations, we must take action now. In this talk, we will be presenting you in detail for causes and effects of the water pollution, wastewater treatment technology, and the role of civil engineer toward the solution of the issue in order to achieve our objective that promote the awareness about the water pollution to the society. That's all from my presentation, and my friend Arif will take over. Thank you.
Hello, I am Arif Azhar and I will elaborate a little bit about importance of water. So we point out three importance of water, which are health and well-being, industrial and agricultural production, and regulate our climate in water cycle. The first one is health and well-being. Clean water is being used by our body to regulate body temperature, protects body organs and tissues, improve blood oxygen circulation, prevent constipation, and it is used for nutrient absorption. With the maintenance of hygiene of the water, it is evident that our health is also better preserved. The second one is industrial and agricultural production. Clean water is also used for irrigation, spraying, drinking water, and photosynthesis process for livestock, and washing livestock buildings. This shows that clean water is not only important for human, but also for plants and animals as well as industries. The third one is to control our climate in water cycle. It serves to carry out three processes in regulating climate change. It can also control temperature changes. It is clear that clean water is vital for the earth and its life. Without clean water, we cannot live in comfortable and healthy condition.
Next is cause of water pollution. The first one is industrial waste. Second is pathogen. Third is sewage. default is radioactive waste, and the last one is organic waste. Industrial waste. Many industries discharge waste materials into water sources before treating it, such as dangerous chemicals. It eventually contaminates the water. The unloading of toxic chemicals lowers the oxygen levels in the water, causing pollution. Pathogen or bacteria that cause disease are some of the most dangerous pollutants. The most pathogenic species are bacteria, virus, and protozoa. Most bacteria are harmless if it's not functional. A few dangerous bacteria enter water bodies through underground layers and sewage disposal system. Moisture pathogens cause a wide range of disease, which will include diarrhea and vomiting and digestive system illness. The disposal of sewage in bodies of water is one of the primary causes of water pollution. Sewage discharged into the sea from both homes and industry has the potential to pollute the ocean. Sewage disposal contributes to a variety of water-related illness, including diarrhea, a leading cause of death in children. Another major source of water pollution in today's world is the disposal of radioactive waste into the sea. Chemical pollutants include heavy metals such as mercury, lead, and cadmium, as well as solvent from industries, pesticide runoff, and ship oil spills. They are poisonous to aquatic life, causing infertility and death. Metal wastes are also dangerous to humans because they are absorbed into our body. They can be harmful to the brain, kidneys, and other organs. Organic water pollutants include food waste, detergent, leaves, grass, and other organic pollutants. They are caused by residential sewage, food processing plant discharge, and farm waste, which pollute water sources through runoff. Bacteria in fact convert complex organic matter to simple organic matter. Bacteria consume oxygen that has been dispersed in water. As the organic waste content of the water increases, so does the number of decomposers. They consume a lot of oxygen, lowering the oxygen concentration in the water. This may be harmful to aquatic life. Next one is effect of water pollution. Affects aquatic life, food chain, groundwater contamination, affects human health, and also the last one is high TDS, which is total dissolved solid in water. Water pollution has a serious impact on aquatic life. It has an impact on their biotransformation and behavior patterns, as well as starting to cause disease and death. Dioxin is a toxin that causes a wide range of problems, from reproductive problems to unregulated cell growth and cancer. This chemical builds up in seafood, poultry, and meat. These chemicals work their own through the food chain before attempting to enter the human body. Water contamination has the potential to have a significant impact on the food chain. It throws off the food chain. Heavy metals and contribute are multiple dangerous materials that enter the food chain via living creatures, fish when consumed by animals and humans, and can cause further destruction at higher level. Pesticides and fertilizers used in agriculture pollute groundwater and our environment. If this groundwater is delivered directly to our homes via large diameter pipe, it will cause a slew of health problems. Pollution has an impact on humans, and freezes in freshwater resources can lead into infection such as hepatitis. Water supply treatment and water contamination can always cause an outbreak of infectious disease such as cholera. Water is the best solvent because it diffuses a variety of compounds quickly. The total dissolved solid TDS through water supply should be lower than 500 mg per liter. A significant concentration of TDS in water can lead to a variety of problems in humans.
Agriculture irrigation technology. The process of determining, controlling the volume, frequency, and application rates of irrigation water in a planned, efficient manner. It also can help small farmers improve their livelihood by allowing more efficient use of input such as water, fertilization, and increasing its quality. Agriculture irrigation technology include filtration, biological treatment, mixing, ultrafiltrations, and reverse osmosis. For wastewater treatment, water treatment consists 3 stages, which is primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. Wastewater treatment technologies include acidic flow, anaerobic filtration, hydroponic cultivation, and septic tank. Process of desalination technology is the process of reversing osmosis technology to separate water molecule from seawater. Desalination technology include absorption desalination, which is AD, membrane desalination, MD, reverse osmosis desalination, RO, multi-effect desalination, which is MED, and lastly multi-stage flash desalination.
Good day and hi everyone, my name is Damaning. Now I'm going to continue my talk. As mentioned before, water has many causes and effects on our environment. Water pollution is majorly the result of those oil spills and industrial and human waste disposal on the environment. Not only that, water pollution greatly affects our environment and eventually the life of humans and animals, especially for human health and well-being. Water supports many functions and benefits in our health and daily life. Therefore, engineers have been taking action to avoid water pollution. They conduct some technology to protect our environment and improve to overcome the water pollution, such as agriculture irrigation technology, wastewater treatment technology, and desalination technology. To conclude, our engineer makes specific lifestyle changes to care for our environment because water is one of the essential substances on the earth. That's all for my talk, and I hope you all learned it and got aware of the environment. Cleaner water, cleaner tomorrow. Before ending the talk, we hope everyone can help us fill out the feedback form. You may scan the QR code or click the link in the description box. All the information collected will be used for research purpose only. We would be pleased if you could participate in this survey. Your participation is much appreciated. Thank you and have a nice day. We hope you all have obtained the benefits from our talk. See you!